Okay, we're back on the never-ending saga of Jill's interior. So what we are going to do, we have everything marked right there on the green tape on both sides. I do have what's marked in the center, but I will do the sides first. What I need to do is be able to put these brackets on, which are right here. Put them in there and then mark where basically on here where they would sit, and then drill the holes through this first and then drill those holes through the brackets that are underneath. Now, as you can tell, maybe not, they do have the markings on it right there. I'm just going to pull out these panels right here because these panels don't need to come out just yet. When I pull these panels out, I will trim that and I'll put all the holes in the very front portion of this right here. I won't worry about the top till I'm ready to put all the, where's those panels at? Basically a package shelf. So let me go ahead and grab those panels. We will drill out these and we'll anchor these to the sides. Okay, put you on time lapse. Okay, now that we've done this, we've put the bracket here, put the bracket here on both of them, this one and that one. Now what I have to do is put them back in there, and I'm gonna put green tape on this right here and this piece right here. So I'll show you when I get in there. Actually, I'll show you right now. Put tape right here and put tape along this and mark where these show up. Because what I have to do is drill through those panels right there on the edges and then line up this so I can put the rib nuts. So we are going to do rib nuts on these. That way I can pull them out and take them apart a little bit when I need. Makes it a little bit easier, especially when we go to put the roll cage in. I don't have to drill out all the holes. I can just actually unscrew them all. So we'll put you on time lapse. We'll go inside and we'll put them all in and mark them where we need to. And then we got to take everything back out to, actually we have to take those out first to drill that, put them back in with these in, then mark those locations that I need to drill out and put the rib nuts in. Your car. Okay, see you in a second. Okay, now that we got these out, it is an inch from here out is where the bracket is, so I'll make it right in the middle, so a ½ inch in. I'll place them evenly on both sides. Basically, I'll put 2 here and I'll probably put 3 here just to hold them in. Now, I'm gonna use these right here. Now, what these are just regular stainless steel screws, and I'm gonna use rib nuts on the back side. Basically, put rib nuts in here. Now, when we get to that point, which will probably be tomorrow because it is running a little bit late tonight, yeah. I will have all this done and back in there by the end of the day. So let's go time lapse and go from there. Okay, so what I did is I ended up basically cutting or drawing out the line here. It's a 1/2 inch in. It is an inch wide brace on the inside. 1/2 inch in, I could put the screws in there. So this right here I measured out after I drilled them, and it is mirrored on this side. So I have the same distance in between all the screws, number of screws and such. Now we got to put that in there and then mark those braces right there where these holes fit. And we will do that right now, but we will pull those panels out tomorrow and do that. So let's go ahead and put you on time lapse and do. Okay, so as you can tell, I have this right here marked. I have these marked as well as the ones on this side. So I have the 3 holes and the 2 holes on this. Now I am going to install rib nuts on these things. You'll see that tomorrow because it's actually pretty late for us right now. We'll do that tomorrow, but okay, hopefully everything lines up. Well, it's all marked. We'll drill them out, install the rib nuts, make sure they fit first before we do any trimming in the center. Then we have to put the braces in right here. So I'll cut these out tomorrow and install those and do the same thing. Basically, I would need to cut the panels, where is it? Right here, or drill the panels right here. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna rivet these to the body, and then I'm going to do rib nuts at the very front of it. So basically the rib nuts will show right there, or the screws will show right there, but the rib nuts will be on the other portion of this. Okay, see you in just a second. Okay, so now what we've done, we pulled this out, we drilled all these out where I marked them, and now we have to go put these back in to make sure they line up with those holes, hopefully. Both are done. We'll set up time lapse. She'll assist me in getting the things in there, and then we'll show you afterwards. Now, I didn't cut the inner parts of this because what I want to do is I do want to make sure that everything, when I finally get all these together and here and back in this, what I want to do is I want to put the braces in there. That'll be the next video. The end of this video will basically be the whole thing put together but not bolted to the car. Next video will be pull all this stuff out, trim the center, do all the fittings here, or all the bolts here, as well as the top, and then hopefully figure out what we need to do with the package shelf. Okay, go to time lapse. Okay. The never-ending aluminum interior for Jill's Mustang is
almost
halfway
done.
there. Halfway there. Because we still have to do a lot more to this, as I said. This will be the hard part. The next time we do it will be the easy part. So if you guys don't know, I want to build a track car, and my thought is to get the same vehicle she has, V8, hers is a V6, get the V8 and actually make it a track car. Hopefully I can do that. I can find one that's not completely totaled, or if it is totaled, we'll just rebuild it like we did this one. It'll be more interesting for everybody, see what we can do.
Yeah.
Now I will go full out track car, just like this, aluminum interior. What her vehicle is going to be a rally car, which means what?
We're going to lift it 3 inches and have some bigger tires, like 32, 33 inches on it.
Yeah, so we're looking at getting...
So basically our Bronco tires.
Yeah, basically our old Bronco tires will be on this. They won't be on the Bronco rims because it's a different bolt pattern, but it will be the Bronco tires.
Yeah.
We are planning on taking this to the SCCA rally. We do want to get my vehicle early next year or midway through next year to be able to build it as a track car. Like I said, it will be a full-blown track car. I had one in the past. I absolutely love driving on the track. I absolutely love it. I mean, it's one of my favorite things.
You used to drive Nuremberg.
Yeah, I used to drive over in Germany, Nuremberg a lot, some other tracks with a group of friends. It was an absolute blast up there. Anything else? Oh, SEMA's coming up. 6,000 subscribers in 6 days. Or
Please.
sorry, 6,000 subscribers in 6 days, please.
Please.
It would be awesome. Again, this is something she wants to do for basically SEMA. She's already picked out a bunch of stuff for SEMA that she wants to go look at. So we'll do a lot of videos for SEMA. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for all the SEMA stuff that we do. We plan on doing a video every day, multiple videos if possible, depending on how much content we get.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be a lot of time. So it's gonna be a lot of fun for us, and hopefully you guys will enjoy some of the what SEMA's like from the eyes of somebody. Now, we've only been there once, but it's still fresh in our mind of what the mistakes we made the first time. Hopefully we don't make the same mistakes this time.
It's absolutely huge.
Okay. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Hopefully 6,000 subscribers by SEMA. November
Please.
4th.
Pretty please.
Bye.
Bye.